How's it, everybody? This is Ken from kenuhawaii.com. How you doing? I just want to share with you a short video I made on how I easily removed the tie rod ends from my 1978 911 SC Porsche. Let's look at those tie rod ends. They're all bust up and they're dangerous. And what I did is I took out the cotter pin and I raised the nut to the top of the bolt, and then I soaked it with WD-40. Now on the YouTube you'll see a lot of guys, they easily loosen this by pounding on it with a hammer, and then sometimes they'll pound it from the side and that comes loose easily, and some guys even use two hammers and quickly do it. Now I had no luck with that, and I'm not even going to show you the part where I tried to heat it with a butane torch because I don't want to embarrass myself. And pounding on my collectible Porsche with a sledgehammer is not what I want to do. So I got smart and I went on Amazon and I found this universal tie rod end remover with free shipping. And see that hole right there? The reason I bought that one is because the Porsche tie rod, and at least on my car, is about 1¼ inches wide. So that small hole will work with a Porsche, but it may not work with like a big truck or something. So I've never removed a tie rod end in my life before, so let's see me do it. So all I do is tighten it on here, and I'm going to just use a socket tool to tighten it from the top, and I'll tighten it a couple times. And what you're looking for is this gap right here, and you can see it with this arrow. See the gap? When I apply pressure, it's going to push that down and you won't see the gap anymore. So it's almost ready to go. There it goes. There it goes. Real easy, no noise.
It worked.
And a lot faster than pounding on it all day with your hammer and possibly damaging the front end of your Porsche. So subscribe to my channel. I have more stuff like this, and also take a look at my surf videos too. Aloha.